And at this time, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who come in late, we are now having a little cooking session right here on the scene, putting the pot on in here. And we like for you to join in with us and have a ball.
Okay, welcome back to Atlassian Snacks, my series on tips and tricks for using Confluence and sometimes Jira. So here we are back at our sandbox, which is the parent page of the section we're working on. Last time we talked about how to create pages and how to manage them, like moving them and delete them. The page we created was just a blank empty page, and that kind of lacks inspiration. What's great is that Confluence comes loaded with a bunch of templates that can be used for creating particular types of pages. So like an experience, canvas, meeting notes, file list, etc. In a later video, I will talk about how to customize these templates for your own use, as well as how to create templates from scratch. We have a bunch of templates in here because we really love using templates. It helps to make sure that our content and content types have a consistency to them. Some of the templates that are in here, like meeting notes, for instance, the first time you create a meeting note, it will create an index page, which will then track all of your meeting notes. So that's really handy for that to happen. I'm going to go ahead and create a page for product requirements. Okay, so now I don't have to start with an empty page. I can actually start with um, some tips and tricks around what should be here. So if you notice, because I created it, it automatically put my name in. But it's got things in here like go ahead and relate it to Jira, designers, developers, the goals. So it's telling us like, hey, this is probably what you should write for goals. This is what you should write for background and assumptions. And here's putting your like requirement or user stories, etc. So I don't have to always start from scratch. And some of these particular types of deliverables that we use again and again in the industry, they're already available in Confluence, so you don't have to, invent the wheel. So just like any other page, I would give it a title. Okay. And that's my page. So you notice though that the tips that had shown up in the edit state, they're gone in the view state. If I go back to edit, then they're there again. So you don't have to worry about if you didn't fill out a section, if you're still a work in progress, you don't have to delete these. You can leave them for your own benefit for later. Okay. And that's really how you start working from a template. So thanks again for joining, and we will talk to you next time where we talk about formatting the page. Take care. Bye.